How's it going, people? It's been a while for my longtime subscribers. And if you're new, welcome. Before we get into this build, let's address why I haven't posted a video in a while. Honestly, I was a bit deflated after putting out a series of videos that I thought was decent, and I think some of you thought was decent based on your comments without much traction. My goal has always been to use social to fund the operations so that I can donate proceeds of my builds. And that kind of flopped. But I'm not giving up. I've been encouraged by many of your positive comments, even when I haven't posted, and I feel that I do have a small role to play in this space. During that time away, I redirected my attention to doing more commissions, but I kept the camera rolling. So I have plenty of content to come your way. I just need to get through with the editing. If anyone wants to help, shoot me a comment or DM on Instagram. Today's desk build was a commission for a homeschool kid's bedroom. And in the videos to come, you'll get to see me build this bed and dresser. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'll let you relax and enjoy this one. while you watch me put the finishing touches, I want to say thank you for making it this far. Your support is greatly appreciated. I want to take this to the next level, and I need your help. I need each one of you to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button with every video, and also consider sharing it with one person that you might think will enjoy my content. Before I sign off, I want to leave you with a little something. If you ever find yourself in a position to do good, or something is asked of you, please consider it. Charity builds lives.